With Atanda. Today we also come with another problem here. Actually, I have posted this to my page for trial, but I actually come here to solve the problem. So now, how do we solve this kind of problem given to us? We are given that 8 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 raised to the power of x minus 1, right, is equals to 252. We are asked to find the value of x that satisfies this problem. So how do we go with this? Okay, let's start with solution. Solution, right? Our problem given to us is 8 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 252, right? So now, clearly, let's actually solve it. Now, under laws of indices, if you have a raised to the power of, let's say, b plus c, right? It can be written as what? A raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c, right? And also, if you have a raised to the power of b minus c, it can be written as a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c, right? So now we are using this in this problem right now. So now let's take note of that. We are having 8x multiplied by, this is written as what? 8 raised to the power of 1, right? Minus, this is 8x, 8 raised to the power of x, this is an inverse, divided by 8 raised to the power of 1, right? Is equals to 252, right? Now, we don't need this fraction here. How do we cancel this fraction? We multiply through by what? Through by 8. Now, multiplying through by 8, we have 8 times 8, which is 64. 256, 252 multiplied by 8, then we solve it. We have, okay, let's say 8 multiplied by, okay, this will be multiplying 8x multiplied by 8, right? Minus 8 into 8x all over 8, right? Is equals to 8 multiplied by 252, right? Now, 8 multiplied by 8 is 64, right? We have 64 multiplied by what? 8x, right? Multiplied by 8x, right? Minus 8 to cancel 8. What remains here is 8 raised to the power of what? X is equals to 8 multiplied by 252 is 2016, right? Now we have what is common in this side here is 8 raised to the power of x. We factor it out. We have 8 raised to the power of x into what remain here is 46, right? Sorry, 64. What remain here is minus 1 is equals to 2016. Now let's go to the other side. We have 8 raised to the power of x into 64 minus 1 is 63 is equals to 2016, right? Divide through by 63. Divide through by 63. The 63 goes with the 63 here. We have 8x is equals to, this should give us 32. If you divide it very well, we have 32. So now, clearly, let's relate this. 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by x, right? Is equals to 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 5, right? Now, under laws of indices, if you have a raised to the power of b multiplied by c, right? It's still the same thing as a raised to the power of bc. So we are applying it here. We have 3x, which is 2 raised to the power of what? 3x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 5. We are having the same base, we equate the powers, right? In which this will go with this. We have 3x is equals to 5. Divide through by 3, divide through by what? 3. 3 goes with 3 here. We have x is equals to 5 all over 3. Which satisfies, which is the value of x that satisfies this indices, right? So now what we do is that try to what? Try to substitute the value of x into this problem and verify whether you're going to get 252. Like, comment, share for others to learn, and follow please.